You're looking at the breathtaking yet terrifying eye of Hurricane Milton, nature's raw power on full display. The center, surrounded by towering walls of violent winds and rain, gives us a rare glimpse into the force of one of the most destructive weather phenomena on Earth. As the storm's winds reach speeds of over 150 miles per hour, this eye offers a brief moment of eerie stillness amidst the chaos. This is Hurricane Milton, a storm that's already causing devastation along its path. Thank you for watching Health Bulletin. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on global health and science.